Hello students, welcome to Saurav's classes. Today our topic is quantitative aptitude and here some questions are given. We have to solve these questions. Here some options are also given and we have to choose the correct one after solving the question. So now let's start. Our first question is the age of Nishi and Vinny are in the ratio of 6 is to 5. So the ratio of the age of Nishi and Vinny is given, that is 6 is to 5 respectively. Now after 9 years the ratio of their age will be 9 is to 8. So after 9 years their ratio of age will be 9 is to 8. What is the difference in their age? So we have to find out the difference of the age of Nishi and Vinny. So now let's start. Let the age of Nishi and Vinny be, let the age of Nishi and Vinny be, as here the ratio of their present age is given, that is 6 is to 5. So their age, let's consider it as 6x year and 5x year respectively. Okay. Now after 9 years, after 9 years, after 9 years, their age will be, their age will be 6x plus 9 year for Nishi and 5x plus 9 year for Vinny. So the ratio of this age, that is 6x plus 9 is to 5x plus 9 is equals to 9 by 8. That was given also in the question, that is their ratio of age after 9 years will be 9 is to 8. So this ratio is 9 is to 8. Now let's solve this. This is okay, 6x plus 9 divided by 5x plus 9, that is equals to 9 by 8. Now from this we can say that 48x plus 72, that is equals to 45x plus 81, or 3x is equals to 9, and from this we can say that x is equals to 3. So x is equals to 3, that means the age of Nishi is now 6 into 3, that is equals to 18 year, and for Vinny this age is equals to 5 into 3, that is equals to 15 years. So the difference between their age is 18 year minus 15 year, that is equals to 3 year. So option 4, that is 3 year, is the correct answer. So the difference in their age is 3 year. So this is the answer. Okay, now let's go to our next question. Okay, so here is the question, and the question is a simple interest accrued on an account of rupees 84,000 at the end of 3 years is rupees 30,240. So the principal amount here is rupees 84,000 and the simple interest after 3 years of this amount is rupees 30,240. Now we have to find out what would be the compound interest accrued on the same amount at the same rate in the same period. And here 5 options are given. So now let's start. Okay, so the rate is equals to the rate of interest. The rate of interest is equals to 30,240 into 100 divided by 84,000 into 3, because this is the time period that was given. This percent, that is equals to 12%. So the rate of interest is 12%. Now the compound interest, that is CI, is equals to 84,000 into 1 plus 12 that we derived before, the rate of interest, 12 by 100 whole to the power, the number of time period, that was 3 years, and this minus 1. Now by solving this, we can get that 84,000 into 28 into 28 into 28 minus 25 into 25 into 25 divided by 25 into 25 into 25. We are simply solving this equation. Now from this we can write 84,000 into 6,327 divided by 15,625, that is equals to rupees 34,013.95. So the compound interest accrued on the same amount at the same rate in the same period will be option 5, that is rupees 34,013.95. So this is the answer. Now let's go to our next question. Okay, so the question is a committee of 3 members. So there are 3 members in a committee who are to be selected out of 3 men and 2 women. Now, what is the probability that the committee has at least 1 woman? So we have to find out the probability that the committee has at least 1 woman. Now let's start. The required probability is equals to 2C1 into 3C2 plus 2C2 into 3C1 divided by 5C3, that is equals to 2 into 3 plus 1 into 3 divided by 10, that is equals to 9 by 10. So the required probability is 9 by 10 that among 3 men and 2 women, the committee has at least 1 woman. So option 3, that is 9 by 10, is the correct answer. Now here is our next question. Okay, the question is, in order to pass an examination, a student is required to get 280 marks. So the pass mark is 280 out of the aggregate marks. Now Hema got 264 marks and was declared fail by 2%. So Hema got 264 marks out of this pass mark 280, and she was declared fail by 2%. Now we have to find out what is the minimum passing percentage of the examination. So let's start. Now the given passing mark is the given passing mark is 280. Now Hema got the mark 264, and it was declared that Hema failed by 2% marks. That means 2% is equals to 280 minus 264. That is equals to, so this 2% is equals to 16. That means 100% is equals to 16 by 2 into 100. That is equals to 800. Hence, the required minimum passing percentage, is equals to 280 by 800 into 100. That is equals to 35%. So the required minimum passing percentage here is 35%. So here option 2, that is 35, is the correct answer. So the minimum passing percentage of the examination is 35, and this is the answer.